Sur Ultimate, il s'est passé vraiment beaucoup de choses cette année, comme vous avez pu le voir. Et puis, ben, c'est de ça qu'on va parler aujourd'hui. C'est de tous les moments forts de cette année. Alors, on commence fort avec avec ce moment-là. Alors, c'est aussi les moments que je préfère, que j'ai préféré durant l'année aussi. Kameme contre MKLeo à l'Evo 2000. Kameme est un joueur de Megaman comparé à MKLeo qui est le meilleur joueur du monde et s'est pas fait battre depuis le début de l'Ultimate, vraiment. Là, il enchaînait les victoires avec son Joker jusqu'à...
We got an opportunity to see Kameme earlier before, but now facing off against MKLeo, the number 1 in the world versus the number 19 PGRU ranked player. This will be a big one. You know, looking at this style of play, right? Joker, being a character who I've said before, make it into the grand finals of so many events on the winner's side.
And that's what I love about this game, too, because so many characters that you have to be worrying about. And MKLeo, although he was number 1 ranked on the PGR, you have players like Kameme right here catching his jump to take advantage of the position that MKLeo is in here.
Yes, and we did see MKLeo at least try to use the down tilt at some point just to get underneath. He clips him with the back air, though, and now it's a chance for him to let strap.
Oh, rolling right beyond MKLeo with the punish from trying to call out his own ledge situation. Two that I was talking about, man, just waiting to watch what was going to happen here. And I am not surprised that we have MKLeo down a single game in this set. Of course, remember, this is 2 out of 3. This is not 3 out of 5. So this is actually...
So that's sure you can.
I just want to say that I was talking about Rebels Guard being good in this matchup, but the way that Kameme just used it as a bait because he decided to overcommit to the Rebels Guard was insane. That perfect punish with the up tilt.
Yes, and now MKLeo, his final stock here, if he drops this, he will be going straight to the loser's bracket, a situation nobody wants to be in. Here, forward airs or even just clipping with the back air. He gets the metal blade. MKLeo, tough situation.
Oh.
Here's the chase.
Seeing the metal blade coming out. The pressure tool that he wants. Tries to call it the roll.
He wanted a forward smash. Offstage situation again. MKLeo goes super low. He doesn't quite get what he was looking for, though. 110 piece.
Oh my God! That's going to be the set!
MKLeo sending... MKLeo getting...
Bon, pour ceux qui n'auraient pas compris, Kameme, là, juste ici, a vaincu... Ça a été vraiment le premier joueur à partir de ce moment-là qui a vaincu le meilleur joueur du monde, MKLeo, à l'Evo 2019, c'est-à-dire le plus gros tournoi de jeu de combat au monde. Puis en plus, avec la foule en délire juste derrière, ça vraiment... J'aurais vraiment voulu être à sa place. Bravo, Kameme. Honnêtement, j'ai pas les mots. À partir de ce moment-là, ça a été le premier joueur à avoir pu réussir à avoir l'exploit de battre le meilleur joueur du monde. Mais, durant l'année, ça n'a pas été le seul à avoir réussi cet exploit-là. MKLeo contre Samsora au Shine 2019. Bon, Samsora, j'en ai déjà parlé, c'est le meilleur joueur de Peach au monde et le 4e meilleur joueur mondial, je crois. Et honnêtement, la façon qu'il joue Peach est incroyable. Il s'apprête à affronter le meilleur joueur du monde en grande finale au Shine 2019.
Okay, all right. See what you got.
Yeah, catchy scan here.
Yeah.
I love how MKLeo now playing extremely patient. Also being able to come from being warmed up, honestly, versus Naro. Samsora did have to wait a little bit before having to play. That's definitely also a thing.
Getting the drag down up there, and now it's MKLeo's turn. He's taking off with the offense. And look at him pinning for stock for Leo. Or Samsora can start chipping his way back into momentum. Good shield work there by Leo. And now look at, this is the worst position to be in. That upper left-hand and right-hand corner off stage is so tough to fight your way back on against from MKLeo. He covers, working on a 3-stock to start off this grand final set.
Trying to make a statement already. You beat me once, but don't hold on to that too long.
Sam knows that, though. He was locked and ready after the first...
Oh, it's set.
More often than not, so Sam, huge task ahead of him, but he definitely can do it. He already proved that once today.
Exactly. I mean, the tradition is for Leo to come back from these tight situations, and, you know, he's showing it right. I'm seeing from Leo is he's using gun a lot more often now to contest Samsora.
There you go. Good recovery again. Leo's recoveries have been a lot better. Remember, early on in the first set, Samsora was able to pick him off stage a couple of
pressuring Samsora, playing by the ledge, and then once he's at the ledge, you see these backers come through. Oh wow, going really deep for that down air. Not going to do it. Samsora now below MKLeo. What is he going to do?
Get a forward air, almost a stock, but Sam is hanging on just barely.
Oh, gets back onto the ledge with the Tetracon coming through, calling out that Parasol. When is Sam going to get back onto the stage?
Oh, good gun work too, racking up a little damage and also hiding from Sam. Leo with a back air. Sam in the worst spot in the world, but he makes it to the ledge. What can he find that down air? The crowd
whole
pops
crowd
off.
is so scared right now. It's like, over me with the back air. Allowing Heat to take. MK Leo, Sam Sora, what are you going to do? Leo gets back onto the stage.
Pressure on Leo. He's going to look for an up air. Here we go. Sam Sora moving around. Forward air to the center stage.
Sam Sora gets the fair. No, he is still living. There is another stop that Leo needs to come back from.
And
he gets the nair. And you have your Shine 2019 champion, Sam Sora.
Et à partir de ce moment-là, encore un autre joueur a réussi à battre le grand champion de Smash Bros, Sam Sora. Je peux dire maintenant que oui, c'est mon joueur préféré. C'est vraiment le joueur que je préfère, Sam Sora, parce que vraiment, il maîtrise sa pige comme personne. Au début, je pensais que c'était le seul à avoir battu MKLeo, mais je me souvenais que Kameme aussi l'avait fait. Et puis, ben, il a vraiment aimé sa performance. Et bravo, Sam Sora, pour ta victoire, c'est vraiment bien mérité. Puis, c'est ça. Puis honnêtement, si vous êtes capable de faire ça...
Sam Sora can't contest them, but don't know what you can do about that.
Honnêtement, si vous êtes capable de faire ce que vous venez juste de voir, puis pour ça, ça peut aller... Il est capable de faire bien plus que ça, là. Je vous respecte, honnêtement. Juste pour ça. Si vous êtes capable de faire ça avec Peach, honnêtement, je vais vous respecter. Vraiment. Alors, on va passer au prochain événement qui m'a marqué, personnellement. Et c'est celui... Light contre Isam au Glitch 7. Bon, Light, vous le connaissez, mais Isam, j'en ai pas parlé. C'est le meilleur joueur de Pikachu au monde, je crois. Et ça fait longtemps qu'on l'avait pas vu gagner un tournoi majeur.
All right, all comes down to this. Isam, an opportunity to capture his first S-tier tournament win in Ultimate. I believe Light in kind of in that same boat as well. So I mean, this is just huge. I mean, you kind of looked at this top 8.
People wonder when you go into grand finals who has the advantage. Is it the guy coming from losers who's playing hot? Is it the guy who only has to win one set? But Isam is staking his claim, showing that it's like he never stopped.
Yeah.
He's still just on fire.
I mean, this is a tutorial right now, and for Light, you got to be
Smash with KO if he hits him in the right part of the stage.
And for Isam, I mean, he should have no problems being able to be patient and diligent in this. There's no excuse for letting this lead go. And he certainly is not going to
This time around. Isam is mashing, dude.
Seriously.
He's hitting this mashing, dude.
Seriously.
He's hitting so many, but he's not shielding, he's not air dodging. Like if Light grabs him, he's just throwing out the thunder. Like it's constant aggression. Light might be able to
I
capitalize
like the
on that.
platform usage right here from Isam. It's kind of feel like this. I mean, the stage might work out for him in his favor as well. He's got the wall jump at his disposal too. So
it's pretty slick, and he can kind of get a little bit of an advantage with those jumps too, when they ride the walls as well.
Yeah.
So Light not seeing that one coming. Trying to land safely, finally able to get back to the ground, but Isam is popping it up yet again.
Yeah.
there,
Calling out the jump.
Okay, not this time. Light still trying to find a way to get some damage here onto the board.
And Light is just hitting his shield over
he's
and
gone.
over.
He's gone.
That's it.
And
Drag
he's
down,
dead.
yeah. For the first time, really, at all.
Super clutch.
It's taking a minute. Taking a little bit.
103 now. If he gets a drag down smash, depending on what side of the stage we're on, might be the end of Glitch.
Oh yeah.
If he gets him on the left or the right side,
You can
that'll do
kind of
it.
see, you can kind of see Light playing into that too. He's trying to play the center stage because he knows that at the very least he has the best chance of living on that drag down. Double F smash, not going to register. The back air will though.
124, can't get the forward smash, and Isam might have given up a lot there, but the back air, final hit gonna land.
What is like? Isam is your...
Bon, là, je pense qu'il crie de joie, là, Isam, mais voilà. Isam, meilleur joueur de Pikachu au monde, je crois. Et vraiment longtemps que je l'ai pas vu gagner un tournoi majeur. Même, je pense que c'est son premier tournoi majeur d'Ultimate. En tout cas, si je me trompe, vous le direz en commentaire. Mais il y a eu d'autres moments épiques comme ceux-là. Ne vous inquiétez pas. Il en reste encore 2. Sam Sora contre Tweek. Tweek, c'est le deuxième meilleur joueur mondial sur Ultimate. Et il se débrouille pas pire avec le dresseur de Pokémon. Et il apprend Sam Sora en winners final.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
You saw what he did to MK Leo earlier, so that's got to put Tweek on high alert as we enter this winners finals on Pokemon Stadium.
Respect Shun. They might not even realize it. I know a lot of players, like, they play games like these. They don't even realize how much time has passed. You're in the moment.
You just see the characters, man. You're not watching the clock. But we have just approached under a minute now. 54 seconds to boot. Oh, my God. What a dare. What a call.
Yeah.
It gets the double grab on the ledge, but I mean, I feel like you're really pressured right there when Ivysaur goes for that wide whip through the
Yes.
stage.
for the regrab. So.
Especially on Peach, because like, what are you're gonna down smash, but that doesn't.
Yeah, it doesn't do anything.
Yeah. If it's Fox, it's one thing.
Sure.
Yeah.
All right, big opportunity right now for Samsora, but he is unable to make.
137 now, and he goes to Squirtle. I guess he's
kind
gonna
of a
die anyway. Okay,
yeah,
we're
I
going.
think he's just trying to get out to the. Okay, wait a minute.
Hold up.
Yeah, he almost forced that situation. The back air is going to take it off.
Right now, man, I remember just a similar battle last year. Remember these two met in top 8 last year as well. Obviously, Tweak was piloting Cloud back then, and you saw Samsora with the Peach too, but it went the way of Tweak, but it's looking like this is a completely different year. Obviously, a completely different game, and I damn sure dare to say a different player in Samsora.
Yeah, man, I don't know what it is about this hood being up, but it is definitely somehow containing his focus, his power.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I think this might be it.
Yeah.
That's it.
And he goes out with a...
Bon, c'est sûr là, que le combat c'était pas le plus incroyable, mais pourquoi est-ce que je l'ai mis dans mes matchs que je trouve les meilleurs matchs de l'année? Parce que Samsora réussit à battre maintenant le 2e meilleur joueur mondial, Tweak, comme j'en avais parlé avant. Il est aussi un de mes joueurs préférés, mais il n'est pas dans le même rang que Samsora. C'est pour ça que je pense que c'est la première fois que je le voyais gagner contre Tweak. Et puis, ben, c'est le fun de voir gagner contre des joueurs un petit peu plus forts, mais quand même, c'est le fun. Et puis maintenant, je vais passer au dernier moment. Nairo contre MKLeo au main stage. Nairo, c'est vraiment un des meilleurs joueurs du monde. Vraiment, c'est littéralement une menace pour moi, puis ma future carrière pour ce match. Il s'apprête à affronter le meilleur joueur du monde, MKLeo, dans un tournoi qui vient juste d'arriver.
What section he feels like he's doing good at. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if for some reason we get to a set 2 and the Robin shows up. But
hey, you never know, man. I mean, good enough. We see MKLeo though yet again with the lead.
Yeah,
it's very difficult for Nairo.
Okay, my man is trying to find the way to get the stock off sooner or later, but no!
Get stopped, man. No.
I mean, a little late to find this stock, this KO. You know, even though Nairo can definitely add up some good damage, I feel like Palpatine is that. Wait. Is that going to be enough?
No, not quite. All right.
Oh. Actually, losers or grand. Doesn't matter. I can tell that man's out the tournament is definitely not fighting. Ever since he hit losers, he's pretty much just putting on the show. The only person really giving him good competition was Avoid. And getting into a game 5, but everyone else so far has not had.
Answers are presenting themselves.
As he getting down, MKLeo finds it a way down with the guns. But yeah, as EE said, this is looking like Nairo's game to win. Gets the drag down to the grab. Wait a minute. No Trump happening here. Oh man, such slick evasion right there from MKLeo to continue to be able to stay into this game. Luch Lair, the drag. Oh my God, burst option.
If you.
Alors, comme vous avez pu voir encore une fois, il y a quelqu'un qui a gagné contre MKLeo, c'est-à-dire Nairo. Comme je vous en avais parlé, un des meilleurs joueurs du monde. Mais alors, ce qu'on peut remarquer, c'est qu'il y a beaucoup de monde qui commence à battre MKLeo, le meilleur joueur du monde. Et puis moi, ce que je soupçonne, malheureusement, c'est que son règne s'achève tranquillement. C'est ça, son règne va gentiment tourne gentiment à sa fin. Et puis, c'est ça. Bravo encore pour ta victoire, Nairo. C'est l'heure de la mention honorable. Et puis, finalement, mention honorable à moi, qui a absolument rien fait de l'année. À part peut-être simplement m'entraîner, puis voir que je faisais quand même des bons résultats. Des résultats quand même assez corrects. Alors, oui, sûrement que peut-être à un moment donné, je vais me lancer dans la compétition pour que vous allez peut-être me voir plus. Et puis j'espère finir comme Samsora et puis les autres que je vous ai présentés aujourd'hui. En attendant, parce que c'est pas encore fait, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner à la chaîne de Skyfall, AFO Darkstorm puis Darkstorm. Puis n'oubliez pas de liker, de partager la vidéo, puis de marquer un commentaire si vous... Puis surtout de marquer un commentaire si vous avez d'autres moments hype à me faire part. Parce que peut-être que je ne les ai pas vus toute cette année, mais en tout cas c'est pas grave. Alors nous autres,